Okay, so we're back with another video about eCASH because this coin has still continued to just explode in price, and looks like good things are happening because Binance is listing this coin in the next couple of hours. Basically, when I do release this video, Binance will already list the coin, and just because that, I'm feeling like this coin should be able to explode even more. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen right now. There's just so many things that happen that are super good. So this is Ethereum did spike up right now. Okay. Okay, Ethereum continuing to go up. Okay, this is awesome. Can Bitcoin follow? Come on, Bitcoin. We got rejected here for Bitcoin, but can it continue to go up? Probably yes. So this here is the coin. This is what's been happening. We're at BUSD right now. So once we have USDT, it's gonna be awesome too. But if you do remember, this is the last thing I did tell you guys in my previous video where I did discuss about eCASH here. If you do remember, I did make this triangle. I did say to you guys that either we're gonna break to the upside or the downside, and in the end we did break to the downside. But what really good thing that did happen is that we did go down. Let me just measure how much we got down after that. So if we go from here, basically from this triangle to this low, it did go down by 20%, which is a lot. But right after that, the coin did pump. Yeah. Right after that, the coin did pump 2 times, so we had an increase of first, if you go from here to here, about 30% in just like 2 or 3 hours, which is insane. So people just bought the dip like crazy here. You can just see here, got a ton of buying volume right over here between these 3 lines. But then it did start to stabilize again, and boom, another pump here, from here to here, basically 23%, which is insane. I got another sell-off here. You just see how much, again, volume, just a ton of volume here in this area. The RSI could just spike up for the RSI, but after that we just had a lot of stabilization. This is all just happening the last couple of days. So seeing this much volume is just insane. You can just see how less than this volume we had, but then something big happened again. Boom, huge promotion for the coin. Again, another huge increase. If we go from here to here, basically 30% again. Huge pump here. It says here 408 billion of these coins, which is just insane. So we did go down again, stabilization, correction, and then boom, this is the last spike that did happen. But this is a huge spike, the past all-time high. So 40% up, even if we do measure all the way to here, 43% up in just basically 12 hours, which is insane. So 40% up in the last 12 hours. That's a huge number, guys. That's just a huge number. Just seeing how much more buying volume we have right over here in this area. But as you can see, right now this area, like this level here, we got rejected. So we got rejected for that area, which is pretty sad to see. Can we get past this area right over here? Yes, we can. We can, because there's one thing that's happening, and that's the listing right now. So I think just because of that listing, because of it, there is a good chance that this coin should be able to pump up even more. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, but there is a chance that this coin should be able to break through this level in just 1 hour, then continue to go up. If not, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna have a harsh rejection, and we're gonna go back to this level here. Like I said, either if we get rejected right now, if the listing doesn't do anything, then we're gonna get rejected all the way back to the level at 0.0022. So that's the level we're going to go. But if we do somehow break through, then we have to measure actually how much up we can go. So if we go from here to here, if we just put a Fibonacci retracement, there is a chance that this coin should be able to go to 0.0034. Now that is a lot, so I don't think it's going to increase by that much. Like, this is super a lot, but there is a chance that at least we can do half of that. So let's say it's going to be 0.00031. So there is a chance that like that could happen. So that means another increase of either 15% or maybe even 24%. But like I said, if we do get rejected, that's going to be a decrease. If we do measure from here to here, about 20%. So I think we're going to find some safety right over here at this level. It does look like a promising level. And just because that's going to be okay. And we're going to start to stabilize. Hopefully, later on, it's going to go even more up. But in the end, I still think that this coin will eventually continue to go up, because we're still in the bull run, because it's going to be a pretty long-lasting bull run here, and basically good things are happening, because you can just see here, we just saw Ethereum just spike up. So because the whole market is going up, there is a good chance that this coin will also go up with the market, and that's super duper important, because like I said, look at this, boom. Look at this, it says here 25% increase, which is just insane. If you go here to the 4-hour chart, I'm just seeing so many healthy signs, because look at this blue line here. It's just touching the graph. Once it's just touching the graph and just touching for safety, look at this. Boom, that's so beautiful. every single time touching this graph. We're gonna need a little bit of correction if we want this blue line to continue just like this. If we wanted to just have safety, boom, just a little bit more up, for it needs to come a little bit more down, and boom, then just increase again. So that could also happen. So we could be seeing the rejection and then going up again. So there is that possibility also. A rejection could be all the way half the way actually here, it's about 10%, and then another increase. Like it's the exact same thing that happened here. So basically, if you're not seeing this, from here to here, it is even like 15%. So there you go. That's the correction. It's the correction. Boom, increase. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart so you guys can see a little bit better. So yeah, so from here to here is actually 15%. So let's say it's going to be 15% from this high here. 15%. Yeah, it's going to be right over here. So if we do have a correction, boom, all the way to here and then up. Or if we're getting a reversal, what's going to happen is that we're going to just find safety here and then stabilize for some time until something big happens again. So what big can happen, like new exchanges, new listings. Is this coin listed on CoinMarketCap? It is coin listed that actually on Coinbase. So it's not listed on Coinbase. So there you go. That's one of the biggest reasons why it could go even more up if you get listed on Coinbase or even on crypto.com. So still, this coin has a lot of potential here to grow, to continue to go up. How much can it go by the end of the year? That's the question. The problem is already seeing 5 billion market cap. I don't really know if it can double that market cap. So can we double that? It's gonna be super hard, but it basically means we're gonna need 10 billion market cap for this coin. So is it possible? Let me just show you what's gonna happen if we increase by another from here by another 100%. So we go from here to basically 100%. Let's say 100% is going to be right over here. Yeah, let's go. So this is it. This is how much it could increase. It could go all the way to 0.00054. I don't know how people, I think in some of the comments I saw people are saying that this coin could be able to go to 0.01 or like even $1. It's never gonna hit $1. Can it hit 0.01? Super hard because there's still so many things that can happen. So basically need to eat the zero, and eating the zero, this 1 0. Oh, 0.001 is possible. Yeah, I'm gonna say 0.01 is possible. It's still super far away. How much increase do we need? Well, let's measure it again. So let's go from here to here. It's gonna be about 260% increase. That means we're gonna need like 30 billion market cap. It's just a huge market cap, and that's the biggest problem. I don't think this coin should be able to do such a large market cap. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But hopefully it is going to continue to go up eventually. But here we are on market cap. As you can see, the market cap for this coin did increase basically 35%. So this is a huge increase. The volume in the last 24 hours to go by 180%, which is just insane. You can just see here the huge pump, the huge increase here that happened here to this coin. So if you actually go to the market, let me just check where you can actually get the coin if you are interested. So you already have it on Binance, but it's the pair with the BUSD. Now we're gonna have a pair with eCASH and BUSDT. So hopefully just because that we're gonna see even more increase for the coin. Now how much, I don't really know, but there is a chance that we're gonna see just because that more increase, because people are just ready for that. This is what people are buying. But let's continue. Basically, if you go here on their Twitter, we can see some awesome things. So first, everything is in Chinese. I think it's Chinese, I'm not sure, but I did try to translate everything on the, just hit the right click and translate everything to English, and there you go. This is what we got. So it says here, Binance is adding a new trading pair for eCash. So eCash/USDT trading opens in 5 hours. So it says here in 5 hours, but right now it's going to be listed in 1 hour. So when I do release this video, it's already gonna be open. So if you are interested in the coin, you can buy it through the USDT and X. So good things are happening to this coin. Just really good things are happening. We're just seeing that this coin has been continuing to go up. The Binance is really listing this coin. Now the biggest problem seen with eCash is that the language here on their Twitter, it needs to be international. So I don't know why they're not English. Maybe because they're trying to, yeah, you can look at this. Half of it's English because I did translate it, because if I do just refresh this page, I think I'm gonna say, yeah, as you can see here, everything now is in it's not in English, but at least like some of it is, some of it's not, and that's super weird to see. Now what they need to do is just put everything into English. It's gonna be a lot easier, because like this, is a super more difficult. This year, 5,000 followers. This was all the way back in the 22nd of August. So actually, that's not too long ago. So they got like 5K more, I think, and more than 5K actually. They got like, yeah, 5 to 6K more in just like a week or something, maybe like even 10 days. So that's insane. Like these guys are super fast. Let me just do something again. Let me just translate to English. It's just a lot easier to see it like this. So yeah, this was 3 hours ago. This was so earlier, like I said. So good things are happening. Huge amount of increase. We're gonna check out the price right now. We're gonna do, this is their website. So eCash basically, yeah, it looks pretty weird, but pretty cool at the same time. Saying a wealth redefined. So simple, instant source. Experience the revolutionary new money from the creators of Bitcoin Cash. So about eCash and get eCash here if you do want so. So let's see your eCash story. Get started. Introducing eCash, the new battle-tested cryptocurrency forged from centuries of economic theory and over a decade of real-world crypto experience. eCash is the implementation of tech-secured sound money, envisioned by luminaries in monetary philosophy like Milton Friedman. So super cool to see. You can check out the trailer like this video if you do want so. Okay, what makes eCash unique? So Avalanche, a consensus protocol to enhance blockchain security, enable near instant confirmation times, and streamline future network upgrades. Staking, decentralized governance by incentivized stakeholders. E-tokens, eCash supports tokens and dividend payments. Create your own token with customized name, supply, decimal places, and icon. And small convenient denomination. So because money shouldn't have 8 decimal places. So learn more. You can check out the rest of it if you do want so. This here, new and future. So roadmap. So this is completion, underway, and planning. So scaling. eCash is scaled from 100 TX to over 5 million TX. Mass parallelization is necessary to achieve mankind scale. Okay, so it's mankind. First thing is concealed transaction ordering. So scalable block processing, scorn signatures, so batch signature validation, quick, let's say, lightning fast network, faster block propagation, okay, UTXO commitment, mark clicks, metadata tree, and adaptive block size. Okay, mankind scale, 50 transactions a day for 10 billion humans. Okay, usability, improve the eCash payment experience to ensure that it's instant and reliable. Transactions must be received instantly and be completely secure within seconds. So cash adder, signed hashes, convenient units, cash fusion, Avalanche preconsensus, reference indexer, zero knowledge, subchain, and fractional satoshis. So best money, secure within 3 seconds, transaction fees forever low. Extensibility. So make eCash extensible. An extensible protocol makes future improvements less disruptive and providing a solid base for businesses and developers to build on. So fundamental optic code like OP codes, larger OP returns OP check data sign. So Avalanche post consensus, EMV, subchain advanced OP codes, and new transaction formats. So it says here in the end, agile blockchain support tomorrow's economy. So basically you can add on it. So developers can just add on it a lot faster without any problems of transitions. So yeah, so the rebirth of eCash and Avalanche advantages. So they made like an AMA or like a podcast here talking about the coin, I think. Talking about everything about the coin. So that's pretty interesting. We have like, yeah, just huge news report saying, the founder of Bitcoin Cash and now head the Bitcoin ABC relaunch as eCash. So this guy is the founder of Bitcoin Cash, which is super interesting. A new project dedicated to becoming the best digital cash in the world. So we got into the history of Bitcoin Cash, its current development state, and what has happened since the split. We go over what aspects digital cash needs to have in order to achieve wide adoption. And we go into how eCash uses Avalanche consensus in order to provide a second layer which can advance very quickly and provide services that plain old Nakamoto consensus cannot. So there you go. You can check out the video. It's like a, yeah, it's a video on YouTube. So do check it out if you're interested into eCash or like Bitcoin Cash ABC. So this is super interesting. So this coin does have like a lot of potential just because the founder here. But yeah, guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.